I've got a mandala painting kit with paints to share with everyone. This did come to me from Amazon for review. This is 12 stencils included. It has turntable and compass included. And it is from Crafty. Now, I have not looked at this yet. This is the contents. You've got 8 acrylic paints, 3 black painting boards. You've got a 12 reusable stencils, 1 palette, 1 turntable, 1 compass, 1 white chalk pencil, 2 paintbrushes, 1 set of 5 clay tools with dotting heads, 1 set of 8 acrylic rods. You've got a set of 5 double-ended dotting tools angled on one end, an instruction book, and a paintable storage bag. That's a lot of stuff in one box. So this is what it's going to look like when you get it and open it. You've got an instruction book, and it is going to tell you again everything that's included, and it tells you what page you can find that to where you can, it'll explain to you how to use it. So this is what you get in the book. And it shows you how to lay the stencils down and how to use it. And I guess that's it. And then you've got a picture right there of someone doing that. So here are the 8 colors. So you've got your basic colors: white, yellow, orange, red, green, blue, purple, and black. So those are your basic colors. Here's your chalk pencil. Alright. Here's your turntable that you're going to put together. Here are your little canvases. Now you can do these on rocks. You can get, some people like to paint on tiles, plain tiles. So yeah, you can, when you run out of these, you can use it, with anything. I think that might have been what this went into. So here's your turntable. It's pretty nice, actually. Okay, and then here's your paint palette. We've got different stencils. We'll look at these real quick, because I want to get into that bag. So we've got this one. So these are actually cute. They're just like different design, different, like a flower, but yet not. These are actually really neat. So you take your chalk pencil, and you can take and trace your, I'll never get these back in here. Anyway, you can take a pencil and you trace these. You lay this onto that black little canvas there, and you take your chalk pencil and you trace these onto it, and then you can go back and you can paint it and do whatever you want to it. So, pretty neat, pretty neat, pretty neat. Alright, so you've got this bag. It's a zipper canvas bag that can be painted or colored. I like they got their logo on there. Okay, so you got all of your pins and stuff in here. Here is your dotting tools. Very cute. Then you have got these, which are different sizes that you dot with. You've got these dotting tools, with the angle on the end. You've got a paintbrush, or 2 paintbrushes, and then you have your compass so that you can do your circles. So, very neat. This is a really good kit, especially if you are a beginner in mandala painting. I know it's starting to become really popular, and it's gorgeous artwork. So you get all of this in this one kit, which is amazing, because if you had to purchase all of this separate, oh my, it would be a lot more than what it is. Like I said, I'll never get this back in here like it was. So yeah, this is a really, really nice kit, y'all. And that is so pretty. If only you could do that. And I think that's a rock. That looks like a rock. So yeah, anyway, I'll leave links in my description box for this. And then that way you can go check this out. Again, this is a complete kit. And you get everything that you need to do this with. And isn't that gorgeous? It's just really, really neat. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I appreciate you watching.